Hi YouTubers, it's next round, so we get back to the like big ass cigar. I'm talking about right now smoker's cough. So when should you worry about a smoker's cough? And the answer is this is a health related subject, so if you're not to watch a health related subject, click off right now. Basically, when should you worry about it? Essentially when it lasts more than a couple weeks. So everybody, I mean, you can't look me in the eye and tell me you don't get some type of irritation from smoking, but if it's lasting more than a couple weeks and it's a really deep, like barky cough, especially combined with phlegm and even blood, then you should definitely get checked out by a doctor. Nice big ass doctor for life. It's probably something like bronchitis or pneumonia or like an allergy or asthma, but better safe than sorry. So big ass cigar for life. Bye.